In a shocking leap forward, scientists in the US and Japan have unveiled the most realistic female humanoid robots the world has ever seen. They can speak naturally, show emotions, make eye contact, and even respond with human-like gestures, from skin texture to facial expressions. These robots are blurring the line between human and machine like never before. But this isn't just a tech showcase, it's a glimpse into a future where robots may not just assist us. They might replace us in ways we never imagined. Are we ready for a world where machines look and act just like us? The American business RealBotics created the humanoid robot Aria. Aria was developed to give people a realistic, interactive companion with a wide range of entertainment and communication options. High-quality materials like silicone and thermoplastic elastomer, as well as meticulous attention to detail like skin texture and facial features, give the robot a remarkably lifelike appearance. With her sophisticated artificial intelligence, Aria can converse, respond to inquiries, and adjust to the user's preferences. The robot can exhibit a range of emotions and make basic head movements thanks to built-in servo motors that enable facial expressions and gestures. Aria can recognize voice commands and react to them with a variety of voices and accents thanks to the speech recognition and synthesis system. Her features include the ability to hold conversations, learn, and adapt to the user's preferences. An American robotics specialist has truly astonished the world by creating a robotic hand with a high number of degrees of freedom and an appearance indistinguishable from a real human hand. According to the engineer, the actual work of creating such a hand took several months. This device has 24 degrees of freedom, and the fingertips are equipped with special feedback sensors. Currently, the robotic hand is not controlled by artificial intelligence, but by a human using a special glove. In the video, the robotic hand skillfully writes letters and plays the piano. The realism of the hand is simply mind-blowing. It is indeed a very complex and almost perfect device that could revolutionize robotic technologies. Unfortunately, they did not show the hand picking up larger objects, but we hope that the manipulator is already capable of that. The Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials has developed an advanced robotic wheelchair that significantly enhances mobility for people with limited movement capabilities. This innovative wheelchair can climb stairs and move in an upright position, providing users with greater autonomy and convenience in their daily lives. Equipped with intelligent mechanisms and sensors, the chair safely ascends and descends stairs, recognizing steps and adjusting its movement accordingly. The additional feature of vertical movement allows the user to stand and move in an upright position, making it easier to reach high objects and improving interaction with the environment. The chair also has a stabilization system to maintain balance and prevent falls. This project aims to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities by offering them more independence and freedom in daily tasks and movements. Shiren is a humanoid robot developed by the Japanese company Species. This robot features a realistic design, including detailed facial features, realistic skin, and body proportions. Shiren is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence technologies, enabling it to engage in conversations with users, understand and respond to questions, maintain dialogue, and display various emotions. Thanks to its built-in servo motors, the robot can perform a variety of movements, including hand gestures, head movements, and facial expressions, making its interaction with people more natural. Shiren is also equipped with a speech recognition and voice synthesis system, allowing it to perceive and respond to voice commands. The robot can be used in various fields, such as customer service, education, and social interaction, providing assistance and support where human communication is needed. British inventor James Bruton runs a popular YouTube channel showcasing his innovative creations. Recently, he unveiled a groundbreaking project, the world's first screw bike. This electric bicycle features 4 mechanism wheels, each equipped with smaller double taper wheels set at a 45-degree angle, enabling omnidirectional movement. Known for his prowess in 3D printing, welding, and mechanical engineering, Bruton faced a significant challenge in designing a bike with such unique capabilities. Despite its technical complexity, the screw bike maintains self-balancing capabilities and can be driven forward using a twist throttle. It includes a backward switch and separate controls for spinning in place, akin to a Segway, but with enhanced maneuverability due to its innovative wheel configuration. An enthusiast from the Monster Mike fishing channel is using new technologies to explore the underwater world. The video blogger attaches a GoPro to a fish to showcase the underwater environment of lakes. The YouTuber has made the fishing process more technological. In the video, the blogger explains in detail how they went to a small lake to check if there are any large underwater predators and other inhabitants. Upon arrival, the blogger attached an underwater camera to the back of a freshly caught large fish, set it up, and released the fish to the bottom of the lake. The caught fish became a real underwater blogger, traveling through rivers and lakes in search of pike and other animals. The experiment garnered significant interest from viewers, who appreciated the unique approach and the impressive footage from the perspective of an underwater inhabitant. In a field demonstration video, the company Gitai showcased an innovative approach to constructing a communication tower using several of its robots. Gitai is a technology company specializing in creating robots capable of automating various aspects of construction processes. The video demonstrates how the robots interact with each other and the environment, performing precise and complex manipulations to build the tower. This includes moving materials, installing structural elements, and adhering to strict safety standards. Each robot is equipped with advanced sensors and AI-based software, allowing it to autonomously navigate the construction area. The use of robotic solutions significantly increases productivity and reduces risks for workers, making such technologies increasingly sought after in modern construction. A division of the world-renowned retailer, Amazon named Zoox, is specializing in autonomous vehicles and has begun a new phase of testing its latest creation, a 4-seater electric self-driving shuttle taxi on public roads. The robotaxi is quite dynamic, capable of reaching speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. Its traction battery provides enough charge for 16 hours of operation. Inside the robotaxi, there are 4 comfortable seats equipped with ports for connecting gadgets. However, the main feature of this autonomous vehicle is its symmetrical design at both ends, allowing it to move not only forward and backward, but also side to side. The introduction of this robotaxi represents a significant advancement for the autonomous vehicle industry and underscores the growing interest and investment in this technology. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. These new female robots from the US and Japan are more than just advanced technology. They represent a turning point in how we see humans, relationships, and even society itself. If machines can mimic real people this perfectly, what role will real human interaction play in the future? Will this technology bring us closer together or drive us further apart? The future is no longer coming. It's already here. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if this video made you think, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because what's coming next will be even more unbelievable.